medical college here, where the best of allopathy, best of Ayurveda, best of Siddha, and the Indian traditional medicinal systems. India has at least 25 traditional medicinal systems. Whole thing will be made available. Astrology is used in diagnosis in Indian tradition. So I'm going to evolve that kind of a doctors. My kids will be evolving that kind of a doctors. Out of the Balasans, I'm going to evolve that kind of a doctors. And I'm already working on the horoscope of all the 41 kids. Balasans, I told them to get me the horoscope. Based on horoscope, I'm going to decide which subject I'm going to put them. Now I am free. And they are also free from all stupid examination. They are free now. All the exam pressure, stupidity, everything. And I take the responsibility for them to complete their education successfully and sit in a very respectful, responsible, and socially respected place. Contribute to the humanity and respected by humanity. I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. The architecture, as per Agama Vastu, I'll put few kids in that department. Authentic, performing rituals and delivering the result just like a surgery, as per Agama. Please understand how you do this artificial, the test tube babies and all that process. IV, what do you call? IV. IVF. The success rate of IVF and the success rate of Putrakamesh Yaga. Putrakamesh Yaga success rate will be more than the IVF. Because it is a science. I'll establish all that. I'm so happy that they can now start evolving, spending whole day and night thinking into this, each branch knowledge. One, I'll start downloading into them. Second, they can just explore. You see, I never studied as per syllabus and all. What stupidity. Actually, the whole syllabus, the diploma I studied, that stupid thing. Now, the whole semester, 6 months syllabus, I'll finish stuff in first 2-3 days. Actually, I'll go and ask for the subject name and go to the library and pick up the source book, not the syllabus. Pick up the source book and study, understand the mechanics. Over. I'll bring up my kids like that. See, because now I have the freedom, I don't need to be constantly thinking about who is going to certify. Nobody need to certify. I never got any certification. I only become certification authority. My kids will become like that. No, really, I'm wondering if I have to make a right presentation about the education system we are having now. Few scientists have put 5 monkeys in a cage, put a ladder. On the top of the ladder, they put 20 banana. Whenever one monkey tries to climb that ladder, all the other 4 monkeys they caught and poured cold water on them. Continuously 10-20 times. So what happened? Whenever a monkey tries to climb the ladder, other monkeys have started beating this monkey and dragging it down. So for 1 week the same thing is happening. No, the banana is untouched. Because any monkey tries to climb the ladder, other monkeys are beating because of the fear of that cold water treatment. And after 1 week, they replaced one monkey. They put a new monkey and took out the old monkey, but the new monkey does not know this treatment. When he tries to climb, all the monkeys have beaten him left and right. So after getting 5-6 times beating, he stopped climbing that ladder. So then they replaced second monkey. The same thing happened with second monkey. Then they replaced the third monkey. Then they replaced fourth monkey. Then they replaced fifth monkey. Now all 5 monkeys have not gone through the cold water treatment, but all 5 of them are beating each other and not allowing anyone to climb the ladder. That's exactly the Indian education system. Why you are not climbing? Nobody knows. As a tradition, we don't claim. As a tradition, we don't climb. See, never study in a system which is designed for mass. Mass means what? Any designing done for mass is done for the lowest rung. How can genius people be produced with something which is designed for the lowest rung? Always study in a system which is very concentrating, attending to your needs, not bound by any of the syllabus marking accreditation. No. I'm really telling you, the day I got the Encyclopedia of Hinduism, I really finished all the 10 volumes in 3 days. When I got the Encyclopedia of Shaivism, I finished it in 1 week. I can create my kids do that. But if they learn from a regular so-called mediocre system, oh, this volume, 1000-page book, 1 volume means 3 months semester. The dirt is being inserted into the heads of the kids. And that stupidity of the examination fear, never kids understand. I always tell, read all the books. Whatever you need to remember, you will remember. Whatever you forgot, you don't need it. Forget it. Your life has nothing to do with that. What is forgotten? What you remember, your life is going to be only to do with that. Live that. Over. The fear of forgetting, if it is completed, the amount of information you remember, recollect, use in your life will become 100 times more. All these words remains as theory because I was never able to demonstrate it. Now I have first batch of 41 kids. I'll demonstrate it. I'll demonstrate all this. He's 18, not only sannyas, with all the powers I'll just send him around to demonstrate. See my first release from the Gurukul.